6. Delicious foods to keep your muscles strong after 60. Have you ever felt your muscles getting a bit weaker as the years go by? You're not alone. And here's the good news. It isn't a hopeless downhill slide. With a few simple changes in your diet, you can prevent and even reverse muscle loss naturally. In this video, we'll share 6 wonderful, easy-to-find foods that are gentle on digestion, tasty, and packed with nutrients to help keep your muscles strong and energized. Think of this as a friendly guide to boosting your muscle health bite by bite. And remember, small changes add up. Let's jump right in and discover these superfoods together. Chicken thighs, a flavorful protein. Powerhouse. First up are chicken thighs. Chicken thighs are a fantastic way to get high-quality protein without feeling bored. They're juicy and tender, which makes them easier to chew and enjoy. Perfect for cooking in soups, stews, or on the grill. Protein from chicken provides essential building blocks for your muscles, helping repair and maintain them as you stay active. Geraldine, age 72, started adding grilled chicken thighs to her vegetable soup a few times a week. After a month, she noticed she felt stronger when gardening and could lift her grandkids with ease. Along with being rich in protein, chicken thighs have vitamins like B6 and zinc that support muscle function and overall energy. Tip: choose skinless chicken thighs and bake or saute with herbs. Even simple seasonings like lemon and rosemary can make them delicious. This warm, protein-rich meal will leave you feeling full and satisfied, helping your muscles recover and grow. Transition. Now that we've fueled up with delicious chicken, let's switch gears to a plant-based option full of fiber and protein. Lentils. Plant power for muscle strength. Lentils are little beans with big benefits. They're a great source of plant protein and fiber, which means they help you feel full and support your digestive health. For seniors, lentils are wonderful because they're easy on the stomach and gentle on the wallet. Meet Linda, a 68-year-old who tried lentil soup for dinner once a week. She found that not only did she save money on groceries, but she also felt more energized during her morning walk. The protein in lentils helps build and maintain muscle, while the fiber helps steady your blood sugar and keeps you feeling good all day. You can cook lentils in many ways, in soups, stews, or even as a side dish seasoned with garlic and herbs. They also pair well with healthy grains like brown rice or quinoa for a satisfying muscle-friendly meal. Transition. Speaking of protein and how much of it can help, let's look at a creamy favorite that's loaded with muscle-building power. Greek yogurt. Creamy calcium and protein. Greek yogurt is a tasty, creamy dairy option that packs a punch of protein and calcium in every spoonful. A single cup of plain Greek yogurt can have around 15-20 grams of protein, which is fantastic for muscle repair. Plus, calcium keeps your bones strong, important when we're working on keeping muscles and bones healthy together. Hank, a 75-year-old retiree, started having Greek yogurt every morning with berries. He loves the thick, smooth texture and feels it helps keep him full until lunchtime. After a couple of months, he noticed it was easier to carry groceries or do household chores without feeling as tired. Greek yogurt also has probiotics, which are good bacteria that help with digestion and overall health. For a simple snack or breakfast, choose plain Greek yogurt and add your favorite fruits, honey, or a sprinkle of nuts. It's a quick way to get protein and a creamy boost without added sugars. Transition. We've covered proteins and dairy. Now let's sweeten things up with a colorful carb that's good for energy. Sweet potatoes. Colorful, energizing. Carbs. Next on our list is the humble sweet potato. Unlike the usual white potato, sweet potatoes give you natural sweetness and a wealth of nutrients. They're high in fiber and rich in vitamins A and C, which support your immune system and help with muscle recovery. They also provide steady energy, so you can keep moving without feeling that afternoon slump. Sweet potatoes can be baked, mashed, or sliced into wedges and roasted. They're gentle on digestion and easy to prepare. Imagine enjoying a warm baked sweet potato sprinkled with cinnamon. That fiber and healthy carbs can help power your muscles through the day. For example, Geraldine found she loved sweet potato mash with a touch of butter. She says it keeps her blood sugar steady and gives her the energy she needs for her daily walks. While sweet potatoes aren't very high in protein, they're a great complement to the protein-rich foods we've mentioned. Think of them as fueling your body with kindness and making sure your muscles have the energy to do their work. Transition. With energy sorted, let's add some leafy green goodness to the mix.